Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is February 8th, 2020, and I'm going to show you a simple method that I use to grow lettuce. So every season I grow lettuce, and I will always let a few plants go to seed, and when that happens, the seed would fall and then the plants would just sprout everywhere. And these are romaine lettuce. They are very hardy plants, and they will grow throughout the winter in Texas because we don't get extreme cold down here, so lettuce will survive throughout the entire winter. So what we're gonna do today is take these volunteer lettuce, pull them out, and then we're going to grow them in the raised bed, and then I'll show you how easy they are, and then we're going to get lettuce like very early spring, and we're gonna get lettuce throughout the entire spring. So here I have a few plants growing in my driveway. See, that's where my garage is, and so a few plants dropped in here and they grew, and I have some over here, and then some in my grass. See there, they're all over the place. So I have some over there, and then some over here, and then here was where the original lettuce parent plant was, and it dropped seeds in here, and that one grew really well. And then I have a bunch of seeds that dropped there, so they grew all over the place. So all over my grass there are lettuce. Some are bigger, some are smaller. Some here, okay, and some dropped over there, and those are the ones that were in really good soil, so you can see they're already big. And see, I have some over here. And then everywhere I walked in the grass, you see there are lettuce plants growing. And some over here. And then have some over here. So as you can see, they're all over the place. So I have my raised beds right here. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna put some soil in, and the raised bed I'm going to use is this one here. And as you can see, the sun is where this time of the year is mostly gathered on this side. And as you can see, that side is not sunny. So this is why this is a good area for my lettuce. So I'm going to fill the raised bed with some new soil that I bought, and then mix it in with the old one, and then we're gonna pull the lettuce out and put them in here. Alright guys, so here is the soil I'm using. That's just some regular garden soil that I bought from Home Depot, and then some cow manure there. I'm gonna mix it all together in the raised bed, and that's what we're gonna use. And then we're going to pull the lettuce out of the soil and then place them in here. Alright guys, I have a ton of lettuce that I pulled out of my grass and my driveway and all that stuff. So if you pull them out gently, they'll come out with part of the roots. Sometimes majority of it, but if you have some roots, that should be fine. So what we're gonna do is plant them all in here. I have so many, I'm not sure if I'm gonna use all of them, but we'll try to fit them as much as we can and then see how well they grow. So Planting them is pretty simple. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so you just take one of the lettuce here and create a hole. And that is it. So I'm gonna do it for the rest of these, and I'm gonna show you what they look like. Alright guys, I'm all finished, and I have plenty of plants in the raised bed. They're pretty close together, but that should be okay. And this is way more than I can use, but the cool thing about gardening is that you always give your excess away. So people always plant a ton, and then whatever they don't use, they just share it with your friends and family. So that is what I have right now. I will be back soon once they grow, and I will keep you guys updated. Alright guys, it has been exactly 3 weeks since we transplanted the lettuce from the grass onto the raised bed, and they are doing amazing. It still get pretty cold, so that's why they're not growing as fast, but from now going forward the temperature will get better, so they will grow much faster. Wow, today is really windy, so you may hear some wind noises, but yeah, this is what they look like today. Look at this. See, they're looking really nice and growing a little bit. So I will be back soon once they grow a little bit more, and I will give you guys an update. Alright guys, it has been exactly 4 weeks now, and the lettuce are doing amazing. The weather is getting a lot warmer, so they're just growing like crazy. And I really didn't do much to these because the rain has been taking care of the watering for me. The only thing I did was I gave the plants one fertilizer feeding, and this is what I used. This is the Alaska fish fertilizer, and basically I use 1 tablespoon per gallon, mixed it all in, and then water the plants, and that is all I've done. So they are just growing beautifully, and they're getting very big. You see these here? Growing amazing, looking so healthy. I'm gonna have a ton of lettuce in very little time. You can actually use them now. Just pull a leaf or two when you need to use it, and then just let it grow back. See, I've done a few to these here. I just pull a few leaves that I need, and then they will just keep growing and growing until the heat comes, and then they will start to bolt, and that's when the lettuce are not too good anymore. They become bitter when they start to bolt. And so this time of the year is the best time to grow them, so you will get so much lettuce all the time, and they're so good because they're nice and fresh. Pick them when you need them. That is the best time to use them. So try that, guys. It's very easy. Allow 1 or 2 plants to go to seed, and then you can collect the seeds, or the wind probably blow them over, and they will overwinter, and they'll grow in the grass like mine did. And then you just pull them out of the grass and put them into your raised bed when the temperature is right. They grow really well between 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, but they will grow at around 50 degrees Fahrenheit. So they're just a little bit slower. So right now is the time that they're going to explode. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Lettuces are very easy to grow, so try the method. Collect seeds or let it drop in your grass and then pull them out. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.